Girls, now we will be discussing the experiment third. In this, the determination of partition coefficient of benzoic acid in benzene and water we will be determining. So, already we discussed in the first unit regarding the partition coefficient. That is, a partition coefficient K value is equal to concentration of solute in the organic phase by concentration of the solute in the aqueous phase. So, here the experiment, the aim of the experiment is to determine the distribution coefficient of benzoic acid in benzene and water. So, apparatus required are volumetric flask. So, volumetric, in spite of volumetric flask, we will be taking this stoppered flask, separating funnel. So, this is the separating funnel, and beakers as well as conical flask are required. So, chemicals required here it is benzoic acid, benzene, sodium hydroxide, water. Chemicals required are benzoic acid, benzene, sodium hydroxide and water. So, the principle will be discussing the Zoom. So, first when we go for the procedure, first we have to prepare two types of sodium hydroxide solutions. One is 0.5 normal sodium hydroxide solution. How you will prepare for 0.5 normal sodium hydroxide solution? 20 grams of sodium hydroxide was weighed and transferred into 100 ml of volumetric flask. Then it will prepare the 0.5 normal sodium hydroxide. Next, how you will prepare the 0.05 normal? 2 grams of sodium hydroxide was weighed and transferred into the 1000 ml of volumetric flask. Then we will be preparing the 0.05 normal sodium hydroxide solution. Now the procedure, in the procedure what we have to do is, we have to take set 1 as well as set 2. Set 1 consisting of 0.5 grams of benzoic acid and set 2 consisting of 0.75 grams of benzoic acid. Now what you have to do is, you have to take two separating funnels. Set 1 you have to write with the marker on this volumetric flask as set 1 as well as set 2. Set 1 as well as set 2. So, you have to take this 0.5 grams of benzoic acid in the set 1. Next, and 0.75 grams of benzoic acid in the set 2. Now, what you have to take is, you have to take 25 ml of water in the both the sets. Here you have to add 25 ml of water as well as here you have to add 25 ml of water. And now you add 30 ml of benzene to all the two flasks. So you have to take the benzene 30 ml. So I will be taking the benzene. So this is the 60 ml. So add 30 ml of benzene to set 1 as well as 30 ml of benzene to set 2. Now what you have to do is, you have to close this stoppered flask and you have to shake it, this stoppered flask, at least you have to shake it vigorously at least for 30 minutes. Like this you have to shake it at least for 30 minutes.